How to check how many cores your CPU processor has on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Task Manager, you'll find Performance on top, beside Processes and App History. In here, you'll find first option CPU. In here, you'll find CPU, logical processor, cores, speed, utilization, and all. But mainly if you're searching for core, you will find core below sockets and above logical processor. As you can see in this PC, core is 4 of CPU. And this is how to check how many cores your CPU processor has on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.